Nasa Euston Station kami. Pupunta kami ng Belfast.
Wait, we will check it first.
Houston. Ano? Dublin, Houston, Belfast, Dublin. 1800 naman sa kabila.
So, huwag iwawala yung
3,
ticket.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Back and forth na pala yan. Magtanong tayo doon kasi naman yung ticket. Gusto naman nakalagay.
We'll hold your tickets, okay? So you won't lose it, okay?
Okay.
Remake. Mali kami ng station kanina. Pumunta kami ng Houston sa Nakunuli pala kami. DRK, not day! Ayan o. 550. Alay.
50.
Mommy,
Come on.
where?
May pangalan naman na.
Ayun, Belfast. Chapter 1. Coach B tayo po. Going to ride the train, the train, the train. AD. Ba't sa kabila tayo pumasok?
Parang aeroplano.
First.
On the plane.
We're here.
Sorry.
I'm going to go back. Where do you Oh my God.
Saan tayo?
Sit down.
Paano tayo dito?
Wala lang sa atin. Masaya.
Eh, oo, tama. Sabi ko sa'yo, table yun eh.
Well, I remember this. Look, it's the hay. What? You want the extra Legos? The Legos. I love the Legos. She loves the Legos. Oh, I love the Legos. What do me? I
Takin ako pag may nakuha si Baran. Sa
May river feeling. Di ba?
Diyan yung Houston, diyan yung... Grabe.
There's river leafy.
Yung bahay natin.
Yeah, we didn't have breakfast because it's still early. We always talk about the
Ganda ng mga bahay, oh.
little houses. The people at the ball.
Oh, may Maldron din dito.
May ano din yung Leonardo Hotel.
Ah.
Bunga, bunga, bunga. Bunga, bunga. Bunga, bunga. Bunga, bunga. Bunga,
Pounds na.
Opa.
Daddy, pounds na yung sign.
6 pounds. KFC box.
That would be for me and her.
Hindi na euro.
They're always counting it exactly. Yeah, it's not more than once a month.
Just remove that one.
And breakfast.
Let's add one chocolate.
yung pala.
Are you full? Are you full?
Ay, madumi yung pala ikaw niya. I don't wanna be
Yes, it was 2 dinners and a 2 for you.
Breakfast.
See that cat? Well, I'll eat the sugar block.
Ano nangyari? Nakiupo kayo dito? Ang munisipyo ng Maynila. si Jack and Rose. Nahanap mo?
Rose and Shine. Diamond is real.
Oh, yung blue diamond na talaga.
You found it, Kyle?
Rose and Shine.
Who died?
Sige lang, no?
Sana yung dalawa? Ano na? What are you doing? The both of you there. Stay there. I'm gonna...
Minecraft! Ayun yung causeway. Robby.
It's like Minecraft.
Yun yung giant causeway. Diyan lang may kita.
Minecraft world. When you grow old, we will go there, okay? Because you can climb.
Is that a Giant's Causeway?
Huh? Yeah, that one.
Yeah, we were there.
Yeah.
Wait, did you go there with us?
Yeah.
Still, it's singing monster. I have all the monsters.
Tama naman yung oras na.
It's over there, in the river also.